Welcome again. It's a boy Eldorado, and in this tutorial video, I'm just showing you how you can really thicken up the vocal and double them up quick and fast without actually using a layered vocal or record another vocal to get there. In which you can do that for the flavor or whatever you might get out of it, but in most cases when we receive vocals, I receive just lead vocals and probably endings or so forth like that, and little ad libs in it. But this is a method you can use to really thicken up your vocals or double them up, make them sound a little bit more fatter. So, first, I'm going to do is create two auxiliary stereo track. Just double click to make a copy of it. And what I'm going to do is Alt Shift Control, and I'm going to select 3 and 4. No, wrong. Alt Shift Control. I'm going to select 3 and 4, and this 5 and 6. Now the first plugin we're going to put here is a pitch shift plugin named Double2, and the next plugin I'm going to put here is a plugin from Sound Toys, Microshift. You can use the bigger one, you can use the smaller version, but I like to use the smaller version with less knobs. Now for this one, you have 3 different algorithms to give 3 different flavor for this one, but for this particular plugin, I like to use the middle one here. And what I like to do with the waves doubler is turn off the direct signal and play around with these numbers, so you can put negative or positive numbers there to the range of detune. It's like detuning the lead vocal to get that sound with some sort of crazy mojo within the plugin, but these plugins sound really phenomenal. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to play a section of the vocal.
Me and the dogs, them up and clean. Touch by me, I'm gonna check my sleeve.
Now what I'm going to do first is add doubler. Alt click to put it at unity gain. I'm going to mute it and do the same thing for the other channel. I'm going to mute it also. So this is
me and the dogs, them up and clean. Touch by me, I'm gonna check my sleeve. White tees and my straight jeans. Air Force I beat with them gal on the back seat.
So the best way to really add effects to your channels is start at a high volume and bring it back down until it sounds really subtle, as in where you really like it. Now, just for the sake of this example, I'm just using the vocals only. I'm not going to use the instrumental with it. So I'm going to A-B so you can hear the difference. So I'm going to mute that and mute this.
Me and the dogs, them up and clean. Touch by me, I'm gonna check my sleeve. White tees and my straight jeans. Air Force I beat with them gal on the back seat. We are living life.
So as you can hear, you're hearing a little thickness in the middle, and there are sounds on the side also. So I'm going to add both of them now.
Me and the dogs, them up and clean. Touch by me, I'm gonna check my sleeve. White tees and my straight jeans. Air Force I beat with them gal on the back seat. We are living life where them a dream. Cash rules everything, hustle the cream. Dollar bill, y'all, nothing not cheap. 10 mil for the crib, 5 for the jeep. So me tell them, and a regular braff, and a regular braff.
If we can push it a little further, if needs be. But I like to keep mine around 15 and 20, minus 15 and 20, to get a very subtle sound. You don't really want to do it, so it sound like you OD it away to get the thickness there.
Me and the dogs, them up and clean. Touch by me, I'm gonna check my sleeve. White tees and my straight jeans. Air Force I beat with them gal on the back seat. We are living life where them a dream. Cash rules everything, hustle the cream. Dollar bill, y'all, nothing not cheap. 10 mil for the crib, 5 for the jeep. So me tell them, and a regular braff, and a regular braff, yeah. And a regular braff, And a regular breath. Yeah. And a regular breath.
So you hear the vocals get a little bit thicker and slightly more upfront in terms of sound. So you can really use this method to get a thickness on your vocals and let it sound a little bit wider instead of it being just mono-centered away. So you can use this method to kind of spread out the vocals a little bit more. More time we call this effect like spread, you know, if you kind of spread out the vocals. But there are other methods can be done, but this is the most common way that I do it. I use other plugins also to achieve this, and you know, among other things. Sometimes I do like pitch coursing type of effect but this is the most common way me resort first, and if I'm not hearing the sound that I really like, now me move on to other method. But try this out on your mix. You can use this on synths to get synths sounding even a little bit more fatter than they are. So, you know, this is a method you can really try the vocal. So if you like it, please do try it out. Give me some feedback, tell me what you think. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Again, it's a boy Eldorado. Smash that like button so other people can get it. Recommend it to them and so forth. Subscribe, hit the bell notification button. Until another time, you know what to do.